dear children. This is class 12th. Chapter going on is electrochemistry. The topic was, we have discussed in my last lecture, equilibrium constant. Write down along with me. Today we will solve the numerical. Equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. From Nernst equation. Write down the first numerical. The formula was E naught is equal to 0.0591 by n log Kc. Formula. Alright, then the first question. The first question is nickel dioxide NiO2 plus 4Cl minus plus 4H plus arrow nickel 2 plus 2 water plus 2Cl minus. So reaction is given. The question they are asking, calculate equilibrium constant, right? E naughts of nickel and chlorine are given. Now let us start. Write down the first step formula. Write down E naught is equal to 0.0591 by n log Kc. Next step is log Kc is equal to E naught into n divided by 0.0591. Okay, now let us start calculating E naught and n first. What is n? You find the oxidation number of one of the pair. It's x minus 4 is equal to 0. Write down nickel 4 plus and here nickel is 2 plus. Mark it. Here nickel is 4. Here nickel is 2, right? So this is the reason the n is equal to 2. The change in the oxidation number, whatever it is, it's a n. And now calculate E naught. E naught is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Identify nickel is cathode or nickel is anode. Whose oxidation number decreases, remember decreases, is cathode. That means nickel number going from plus 4 to plus 2, so nickel is cathode. Reduction means cathode. Number decreases means reduction means cathode. And the next pair always is of anode. That means chlorine is anode. You calculate you just pay attention to only one pair. If the one pair number increases, the other pair number will decrease because it's a redox reaction. Now you can take the values. Let the nickel value, it is given your numerical, or you can take the help from electrochemical series. It is minus 0.25 nickel standard values, and what about chlorine? Chlorine is 1.36 plus 1.36. So you can do the calculations. Now write here what is the E naught and what is n. Next step. This. Write down log Kc. Log Kc is equal to E naught is minus 1.61 multiply by 2, 0.0591. Write down all the calculations I will take because today the calculation is of log and anti-log, very important. Okay. Now let an answer comes is minus 54.48. Log Kc is equal to minus 54.48. You can also calculate it. Minus 54.48. Next step. Right. Let's say I am taking in a very slow manner. Kc is equal to anti-log of minus 54.48. It's a minus. So make it in a plus term. Minus 54 minus 0.48, little segregated. Minus 54 minus 0.48, in between you can do minus 1 and plus 1. If the minus term is here, you have to do this type. This become minus 55, take pairs, and this come 0.52. Right on, next step. Now let us start taking an anti-log. This anti-log term is without any decimal. So if any value is without any decimal, make it 10 raised to power always. This is 10 raised to power minus 55. Plus means multiply. Now you can take the back of the NCERT book. At the back of the NCERT book, the antilog of 0.52 is given. Let it is your, now you can check the antilog of 0.52. So what is antilog of 0.52? That is at the back of this book. These antilogs are given. You can check the antilog of 0.52. It is your 0.52 3311. Write down 3311. 3311. Right. And always put a decimal after one digit. Why? Always put decimal after one digit. Always. Because it is 0.52. Before decimal there is a 0, 0 plus 1, 1, and this is after decimal. That is after 1, always put one decimal. So that comes 3.311 into 10 raised to power minus 5 is the answer. So now I will take the antilog separately and log separately later on. First let us start taking the numericals. So answer is this. This overs the first question. Now take the second question. Today I will also give the examples of log and antilog. Second question. 2 Fe3 plus 2 Fe3 plus 2I minus arrow 2 iron 2 plus iodine. Question is E0 is given 0.235 volt. The question is calculate equilibrium constant. Again, what you will do, you will apply the formula E0 is equal to 0.0591 by n log Kc. This formula. Now calculate log Kc. Log Kc is equal to E0 into n divided by 0.0591. Now what is the E0? By chance it is given 0.235. Let us calculate n. 2 into 3, it's plus 6. 2 into 2, it is plus 4. This means plus 6 plus 4. Change in oxidation number is 2 only. 6, 4, 2 difference. 0.0591. After calculating, the answer comes right down 7.952. Right down. Now let us start taking antilog of 7.952. Antilog. Kc is equal to antilog of 7.952. Now students, in the last numerical there was a minus, but in this numerical there is plus value. So no need to do minus 1 plus 1 now. Now whatever before decimal, always make 10 raised to power 7. Whatever before decimal is your 10 raised to power, always remember. And what left is your antilog. Now let us check the antilog of 0.95 in the second column. Now open the NCERT book. 0.95. It's 0.95 in the second column. That is your 0.95. In the second column is, I think, 8933. Check 8933 or whatever it is. You can check. It's very whatever. You can check what is the antilog of 0.95 in the second column. If it is 8533 or 54, whatever it is, you can check. But always put after 1, I'll put decimal. So the answer comes 8.533 into 10 raised to power 3. Kindly check the antilog of 0.95 in the second column. Next, in the same way you can take the log and antilog calculations. Now after that, Now I am giving you one homework, you can do at your home. Write down one question of this topic. Now let us start with the another after that. Write down one question. 4 Br minus plus oxygen plus 4H plus and 2 bromine and 2 water. This question you can take at your home. E0 is given. E0 is 0.16 volt. And question is calculate equilibrium constant. You can write the answer is 6.742 into 10 to the power 10. You can calculate this question at your home. Calculate equilibrium constant. This completed your topic calculation of equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation. Before taking the next topic, write how to take the antilogs. Write down. Antilogs. Log I will take later on. Write down antilogs. Antilogs. Let write few terms. 2.534, 25.34, 0.2534, 1.2534. Next is minus 14.2534. I've taken this. Let us start. Antilogs. So antilog is always after decimal. So in each case, here the antilog is of 0.53 in the fourth column. Here the antilog is of 0.34. Here the antilog is of 0.25 again in the third column. Let us start doing. Whatever before decimal. Leave this. This we will take later on because this is minus, carrying minus sign. 10 raised to power 2. Write down 10 raised to power 2. Here 10 raised to power 25. Here 10 raised to power 0, that is 1. Here 10 raised to power 1. 10 raised to power 2. 10 raised to power 25. 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 1. This is first step. Whatever before decimal always is your 10 raised to power. Okay? Now let us start taking antilog. The first is, write down, the first is antilog of 0.53. Antilog of 0.53 in the column number 4. Open the NCERT and check whatever it is in the fourth column. It is 3420. Write down 3420 and always put after one digit decimal. This is the answer. 3420. Next, the antilog is of 0.34. Antilog is of 0.34. It is 2188. 2188. Always put after one decimal. Next, antilog is of 0.25 in the third column. 0.25. It is 0.25 in the third column. In the third column, it is 1791, I think. And after that, there is a fourth. The fourth column is at the end. It is 2 written here. You can add that 2. It become 1793 after addition of 2 in the fourth column, last columns. So it's 0.53 antilog. It's antilog of 0.525 in the third column, and in the last fourth column, whatever the digit present, add to it. Again listen, 0.25 in the third column, it is 1791. It become 1793 and decimal. Next, again same. It is your 1.793. So this is all about, you left with only 1 now. Minus. It is minus 14.2534. So whatever is, it's a minus, what you do? Little separated. Minus 14 minus 0.2534. Segregate these two. In between, minus 1 plus 1. Make pairs. It is minus 15 and it is 6, 4 and 7 after subtraction from 1. Okay, now it is minus 15. It is 10 raised to power minus 15. Plus become multiplication. Now check out the antilog of 0.74 in the sixth column. Check out the antilog of 0.74. 0.74 in the sixth column. It's 0.74 in the column number 6, and it is, I think, whatever it is, 6th column, it is 55572 or 5372, whatever it is, 5372. And in the 6th last column, 0.74, and the last column is 6. So whatever in the 6th column is, you can take, I think, whatever it is, it's so faded, it's not visible to me. So whatever the answer comes, you can write here, and after 1 you can put decimal, right? This is the way to take antilog, very simple way. So in this way you have completed your topic, that is calculation of equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation. To practice for antilog. Next topic, write down, very small topic, again of calculations only. It's a relation between Gibbs energy and cell potential. Write down. It's a relation between Gibbs energy and cell potential. Now this topic again is of numericals, but little bit I will take the theory to derive it. Let us write down. Minus delta G is equal to useful work that we have solved in class 11th. In electrochemical cell, write down, in electrochemical cell, electrical energy produced, you all know, that was my first lecture, from chemical energy. That is chemical, in electrochemical cell, work is done by the system. Remember this, in electrochemical cell, work is done by the system. Because electrical energy produced in electrochemical cell, that is work is done by the system, and that work is called electrical work in electrochemical cell. This is the electrochemical work. And when the work is done by the system, students, energy always decreases. You know, decrease in the energy. Decrease in energy. Work is done by the system. But in electrolytic cell, we supply the electrical energy. So on that cell, work is done on the system. But in electrochemical cell, electrical energy produced from chemical energy, electrical energy produced means work is done by the system, that is electrical work. The question is, what is electrical work? Electrical work, write down. Decrease in electrochemical cell. This is a small derivation, but no need to drive it by you. In electrochemical cell, decrease in the energy always leads to work, and this is electrical work. And what is the electrical work? It is equal to number of electron flowing in the circuit, N, write down, number of electron flowing in the circuit, multiply by Faraday. When 1 mole of electron, that is move, it carry 1 Faraday. When n mole of electron move, it carry n Faraday, multiplied by EMF of cell. And the formula become minus delta G is equal to NFE. In a standard states, it become minus delta G naught is equal to NFE naught. Now this formula we will take and solve the numericals. Again listen, it's a little small derivation. No need to learn about this derivation, just remember the formula, just only formula. Decrease in energy always leads to work. In electrochemical cell, work is done by the system. Why? Because in electrochemical cell, electrical energy produced. Question is, what type of work? Electrical work. And what is electrical work? Number of electron flowing in the circuit, external. When 1 mole of electron move, it carry 1 Faraday. When n mole of electron move, it carry n Faraday. And it is EMF of cell, E cathode minus E node. and that become NFE. Write down the first numerical. This is the relationship between the Gibbs energy and cell potential. Write down the first question from the same topic. Make a cell question number 1. Construct the cell and calculate energy. E0 of copper plus oblique copper is plus 0.52 volt. Construction is also there. Second is copper 2 plus oblique copper plus is equal to 0.16 volt. Write down the question is construct the cell as well as calculate standard free energy. E0s are given. On one day I told you whose E0 is greater always act as cathode. Remember, greater the E0, greater the tendency to gain electron and it act as cathode, other act as anode. Okay, now you can write your cathode and anodic reaction. Write down anode which lose electron and cathode which gain electron. Write down copper plus arrow, copper 2 plus electron. This is your anodic reaction, loses electron. Second is copper plus electron, arrow copper. Right? Add these two equations. It is your electron cancel. Your answer is 2 copper plus, arrow copper 2 plus copper. Your N is equal to 1. You can see 1 electron flowing in the circuit. N is equal to 1. So construction, you can make the construction like this. Anode, this is your double line vertical, salt bridge. This side cathode, this side anode. So cathode is copper plus arrow. Arrow means single line copper. Anode, this side anode. Anode is copper plus arrow become a single line. Single line copper 2 plus. So this is the representation of the cell. Now you can calculate EMF. EMF is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Your cathode is 0.52 minus 0.16. So do that is subtraction. It is 0.36 volt. Write down the formula, put the value. Formula is minus delta G naught. This minus stands for just a decrease. No, mathematically means so decrease in the free energy is equal to N F E naught. N is 1 mole of Faraday is 96500 coulombs and E naught is 0.36 after subtraction. Your answer will come in joule. Remember, energy is in joules. So this get over the question number 1 of the same topic. I am taking one more question. One more question. Write down 2 chromium plus 3 cadmium 2 plus, arrow 2 chromium 3 plus 3 cadmium. Write the cell representation, calculate delta G naught. Write down question is, write the cell representation and calculate delta G naught. E naught is given or not? E naught is 0.34 volt given. Write down E naught is 0. Make a cell representation. This is double vertical line. This side cathode, this side anode. Your anode is chromium, single line chromium 3 plus. Whose oxidation number increases is anode, whose oxidation number decreases is of cathode. Reduction cathode. It's a cadmium 2 plus oblique cadmium, oblique or single line cadmium. Make chromium solid, chromium 3 plus aqueous, cadmium 2 plus aqueous and cadmium solid. Now calculate minus delta G naught is equal to N F E naught. What is your N? N is a change in oxidation number. So what are your oxidation number changes? You can calculate it. Your N is 6. 6 electrons flowing. Chrome. You can write occasion even. chromium, arrow chromium 3 plus 3 electron. Okay, cadmium 2 plus 2 electron, arrow cadmium. When you multiply the occasions to cancel the electron, it becomes 6. 6 into 3, so N is 6. Faraday is 96500. E naught is given or sometime not given. Then you can calculate cathode minus anode or right minus left. It is given 0.34. Your answer will come in joules. So in this way you can calculate your free energy. I will give you the assignment. From that assignment you can solve the numericals. Now write down how to see the logs. Log. Write down log. Now during log calculation, write down few terms. It is 2.345. Write down 23.45. 234.5. 0.2345. 0.02345. So I've taken one. Write down. Now this is log. Open your log pages at the end of the book. Now the log is of the complete value, that you will check the log of 23 in the 4th column, and whatever written in the 5th column, bring that value and add to that. Write down. Now what is the log of 23 in the 4th column? Log, it's not 23. No, it's log of 23 in the 4th column. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3692. 3692. Now in the 5th column, whatever written in the 5th column, it is written 9. So you add in this, that is your in 23 4th column, it is written 23 5th column 3 6 23 5th column 4th column, sorry, 23 4th column. 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4. It is 3 6 9 2. Add 9 this 3692 plus 9. 3692 plus 9. 3692 plus 9. It become a 1073. Write down 3701, 3701, 3. In each case, log is same because 2345, 2345, 3701. And it is again same 3701. Then what is the difference between all these? Now what you will see? We will check what is the written before decimal. There is a before decimal, there is a 1 digit. But here the before decimal there is a 2 digit. At the before decimal there are 3 significant figures. Now before decimal there is a 1. Take minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Before decimal it is 2. Always do minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So it's 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Now what you will do here? Here there is a 0 written. 0, it's a 0 minus 1. Make it 1 bar. The zeros is equal to bars. Here there is a 1 0. There is a 1 bar. Here there are 2 zeros, even you will count this 0 before decimal, 2 bar. If it is 0.0002345, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it is a 4 bar. So other method also there. Okay, now what is the purpose of this bar? What you will do? You will do minus 1.3701. This come 9, 9, 2, 6 and 0. So your answer comes here minus 0.6299. Here your answer will come minus 1.6299. Your answer will come minus, you can check, it's a 4, it's a minus 3.6299. 99. There is one more way. When the log will come, I will tell you another way to calculate. If you feel difficulty in writing bars, there is one more way that we will take later on. So this is a log and anti-logs. So I explained, because in chemistry most of the numerical carry log and anti-log terms, right? I think it is very much clear. At the last moment I am taking one thing between the difference between the log and anti-log. Just again listen, anti-log. Let it is 2.345. If you want to check the log and anti-log of both, write down anti-log. Whenever you want to see the anti-log, whatever written before decimal is always 10 raised to power. It's 10 raised to power 2. And always check the anti-log with the decimal. Now here you will see the anti-log of 0.34 in the 5th column. You can check that it is a ABCD. I am writing A, B, C, D. So put always decimal 1 after 1. You put decimal after one figure. Okay, this is A point B, C, D. So you can check the anti-log of 0.34 in the 5th column. Whatever it is, let it is ABCD. So the answer is A point BCD into 10 raised to power 2. I think it is clear now. Anti-log. Now if you want to check the log of this, you will see the log of 23 in the 4th column. Okay, in the 5th column, whatever written you can add and let it is ABCD. Your answer is 0 point ABCD. Why? Because before decimal there is a 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So it is 0 point ABCD. Your answer is 0 point ABCD. So daily, within days, you will become perfect in log and anti-log. Nothing to worry. So we have completed 2 topics today. Now I think your Nernst question is totally get over. I will give the assignment of Nernst question. You can do the numericals. Thank you.